the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top.
Okay, so I'm going to be decorating this area, of course, for Valentine's Day, and I put these signs up here instead. We used to have a family picture sign, but I'm switching it up this year, and these are from Dollarama. I got these a while back. I love the quotes on them, so going to be decorating this. We now have our folding table here that we use when we have friends over outside. And yeah, so this is the decor that I have pulled for Valentine's Day. It is hanging out here at the end of the table where it was clean, and then I have a mess. I just pulled these DVDs out because we got a little mini portable DVD player for my daughter to watch Letter Factory, and when we go on our trips, she can have that as well, and the boys as well. But yeah, so just pull out some of our DVDs, and I want to do like preschool time with her so she can watch the DVDs and not distract the boys on the main TV. And then we have our Valentine's Day boxes up there that we're going to be encouraging each other all month long. I'm going to be sharing about those pretty soon here on my channel. We still have a few finishing touches. Then we have some curriculum that I've been working on as well, and needs to go put away, and just some messes. And over there I have some hearts cut out for the boxes, so I'm going to go ahead and clean up the table and get those on here. And then over here in our living room area, it's not too bad, but I'm going to tackle that. And I have some Valentine's Day decor already up here, and I will put the lights on as well to show you that. And there's some Valentine's Day pillows, and I just want to like get it all pretty here on the couch and get it all set up again. And if I get a chance, I can tackle my daughter's desk and help her freshen up that space as well.
We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. It laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. Running wild. The moonlights, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. We'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're When I was lonely, you were with me. When I was empty, you touched me gently. You give me a purpose to my life. You give me a purpose to my life. I wanna know you more. Yeah. I wanna love you more.
I keep you waiting, always complaining, but I feel so complacent, never repay your payment. Oh God, you're amazing. Sometimes I get so impatient. No other replacement.
You give me a purpose to my life.
So I'll just be waiting.
In my deep darkness, you are the light.
Lord, you deserve all the worship and praising.
I wanna know you more.
But how could you do this for me?
I wanna love you more.
But how could you do this for me?
I wanna know you more.
I wanna know you.
Love you more.
But how could you do this for me?
Oh, oh,
But how could you do this for me?
oh, oh. So comfortable, and no one seems to hold me like you do. You're so wonderful. A star could never shine as bright as you. Shine as bright as you. Even the dark days still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you. It's not logical, the way I feel when you walk in the room. When you walk in the room, it's not optional. How gravity just pulls me right to you, to you. Even the dark days still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you. Spent my whole life waiting for someone like you, baby, and all these broken roses led to you. Spent my whole life waiting for someone like you, baby, and all these broken roses led to you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you.
So I have tackled the dining room space, and now I'm just putting the Valentine's Day themed books up here on the bookshelf, and then I'm going to tackle my living room space. The footage you are seeing is from the next day. We do clean this area daily, or the kids help me in the evening, but I'm filming the next day, and I'm going to make this space a little bit more cozy with the Valentine's Day pillows on the couch, and then adding in the Valentine's Day ducks that we have, and just making this a little bit more fun for Valentine's Day, the month of February. And if you are new here, I'm Annalisa, and I am a homeschool mom to 4. I have an almost 9-year-old, a 6-year-old, a almost 4-year-old, and a almost 1-year-old. So here on my channel, I share cleaning motivation, home decor, sensory bins, and more. And I share our homeschool journey and how it's going for us, and hopefully inspire you along the way, give you resources and tools to help you in your homeschool, and just give you motivation to tackle the things around your home. So if you like that kind of content, definitely stick around. I would love to have you join me here as I share that.
All the ways I tried, thought that maybe I could wait for you. It was nothing you said, I felt something different about the way you moved. It's done away now, I'm leaving all the dust behind. But I never thought somebody could do me like this. Is it fine if I'm doing just fine? I got a feeling if the phone dings, the text might say your name. And if you call me and the phone rings, I'd say I think you doubt me by mistake. I'm like, oh my, lately I've been looking for some peace of mind. The sun is setting low outside, I don't wanna wait till the lights go blind. Oh, I'm struggling to find some peace, some peace, some peace of mind. I'm looking for some peace, some peace, some peace, some peace of mind.
So since the clip at the beginning of the video that was filmed the day before, I added this ball maze marble run kind of thing in here. This is actually from our water table, but I just duct taped it onto the baby gate, and the kids are loving it, having it inside, and we will maybe put it outside when the weather starts to get nicer on the water table, but we have a few different pieces we can interchange. So that is super fun way to use the water table pieces during winter. I love that. And my youngest and all of the kids are having really a lot of fun with that. Then I'm adding the Valentine's Day ducks in and getting this area all freshened up with a mom's touch. And then you're going to see, and you've probably already noticed, that we do still have our outdoor Christmas tree up. We have not had a chance to take it down. We need to figure out a spot to store it so we can put it up next year. We loved having it outside. It was so fun with all the bright lights and the colors, and we definitely want to put it up again. So it is still up, and we've been enjoying that. So I just wanted to point that out. Yes, it's still up. Of course, our Christmas tree inside has been put away, but we're going to be putting that away shortly. But it has been just so nice having that space outside with the Christmas tree, even through winter when Christmas is gone. So just vacuuming up this space, and then I'm going to be done. So thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. We would love to have you here, and we will see you in the next one. Happy Valentine's Day and happy February.